This is open box review of my carbon fiber, full carbon fiber steering wheel. Comes in a regular box. And then you got this, very light. It's sort of like the Half Moon steering wheel. I think this is like 333 millimeters, which is smaller than the stock one. This is going on my 3000 GT. Let's see if I can't get a weight of how much this thing weighs. And units, we're going to go to pounds and ounces. That whole thing just shut off. That's fluid ounces. Let's try this again. Okay, I'm showing 1.22 pounds. Or, yeah. So it's just over a pound. Very light. Very, very light. But anyway, everybody was... the question was it built good enough to be able to withstand driving and all that stuff? What I understand is what I've done as far as that goes. The center part here, the thickness right here, this is over 1/4 of an inch thick. Now this part right here is hollow. I can hear the sound of it, you can tell. But it's very sturdy. Like, I've tried to twist this thing and try to get it to flex as much as I could. And that's not saying it won't break. Anything's breakable if you put enough pressure on it. But what I'm going to do, I'm 200 pounds. And to keep from scratching it up, I'm just going to go ahead and stand on the center of it. And that's with this part up, so it's the highest part I'm standing on. And I'm standing on it, and it doesn't flex at all. I'm like bouncing up on it, and it doesn't flex whatsoever. That's 200 pounds on it. So I would say that it would definitely withstand you tugging on it and all that stuff. And it's very sturdy, well made. Now what I understand is, from my research, this is the exact same one that NRG sells. The only difference between this one and NRG is it's got a little white label that says NRG. I looked them up. They're identical shape, look, everything. The design's the same. I would say they're just manufactured somewhere in China. And somebody else just throws a name on it. They get these things bought. And I don't see a thing. But anyway, I did go. A lot of people would opt out of this and, you know, just go centerless without the horn and everything. But I want my horn, so I got to pass inspection. So they give you, if you pay extra, comes in a nice little cotton pouch or whatever, real nice little pouch. And this is the center cap, and it is carbon fiber. It's solid carbon fiber. Yeah, this is solid carbon fiber right here, as you can, I think you can see. It's a solid piece of carbon fiber. And then you get the center where your horn goes in the center somehow like this. I think that just shoves in there. Snaps in there. I ain't gonna snap it in there, but anyway, that's what it looks like. But I'm kind of happy with it. I got my quick release coming today. If you like and subscribe and follow my videos, I'll do more of this stuff here, buying stuff that most people haven't heard of or is you know, just don't want to try, don't want to spend the money on, this is what I like to do. I like to go the route that most people don't take and just try it. You know, what the heck? You either win or you lose. It's life. So I'll do more videos like this, and I'll buy extra stuff just to try out. That way we know, gives people an idea whether it's made good or not. But this thing here, as far as that goes, I didn't want nothing that's textured, because you know, you grabbing your hands on it gets dirty, you can't really clean it all that well. This here, you can just wipe it off. No, it's not slick. Now if you got oil, you just got done working on your car or something, you might want to wipe your hands off, but it doesn't feel slick at all. I mean, you can grip this thing pretty good. It's not rough textured, it's actually smooth. And then you can see, I'll have to find out the machine holes to make sure these, when my quick release, make sure all this lines up with my quick release. I did get a 6-speed quick release, SICK speed. So just like and subscribe and follow my videos. Thanks for watching.